This video is going to be helpful for when you need to resize or rotate any images that you have in your Google document. So here I have a picture of a school and it's taking up a big space on my slide and I really want to make it a bit smaller. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it and now I have it outlined by that blue box and you can see all these little squares, and these little squares are going to allow me to change the size of this picture however I want to. Now, when you're resizing a picture, it's really important to do as much as you can by using the corners of the picture, because I'll show you what happens if you just use the ones on the sides or the ones on the top and the bottom. So the ones on the sides, they make it wider or skinnier. And if I wanted to make my school picture skinnier, you can see it's starting to make it look a bit weird because now my picture is very disproportional. It was meant to be the dimensions it was when I first put the picture on my document, and now that I've made it a bit uneven, it's looking a bit funny. Okay, so I'm going to undo that because I want to show you what I do if I use the top one. So this is going to make it shorter. And if I went all the way down here, see, now it's looking a bit blurry too because, again, it's not meant to be these dimensions. This side is supposed to be longer than the top of it, and that is not happening right now. Okay, so if I undo that again and I put it back to how it was originally, now if I use the corners, it keeps this shape. It just makes it smaller, so it'll keep it proportional to itself. And see, now even though my school is smaller, it still looks right. So when you are resizing a picture, please make sure to use the corners as much as possible. You can experiment with the sides and the top and see maybe it doesn't make that much of a difference, but it's just always safer to use the corners. Okay, so I'm liking the size of my school now, and I'm going to rotate it a little bit. Maybe I want to put it on an angle. Maybe I'm doing a collage or something and it doesn't have to be exactly right side up. So if I want to rotate my picture any which way, I need to look at this blue circle up here. If I click this, then I can drag it either way, okay? And I can keep dragging all the way around. So if I have it over here, so now it's tilted off to the side. I can even keep going. My school can be all the way upside down, or it can be rotated all the way to the other side. So I can keep going, and I can even go back this way. And I can rotate my school as much as I want to. I'm going to have it a little bit off to this side. And so now you know how to resize your pictures and you know how to rotate them.